Natakot na itong si BBM at ang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara ay pinigilan na ni BBM. Nakarating kasi ang mensahe nito ni BBM para sa pamunuan ng Kongreso. Ang sabi ni BBM, "In the larger scheme of things, Sara is unimportant. So please do not file impeachment complaints. It will only distract us from the real work of governance, which is to improve the lot of all Filipinos." Na siya ngayong katawa-tawa itong si BBM. At ang akala ko pa BBM, matapang ka at papalagad mo na si VP Sara. Eh ano to, mukhang sumuko ka na. Ayon pa kay Katunying Anthony Taberna. Breaking news, PBBM may mensahe sa mga lider ng Kongreso para pigilan ang impeachment ni Vice matapos ang kali-kaliwang complaint mula sa iba't ibang mga departamento. Nagbigay ng paalala si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na wag nang ituloy ang paghahain ng impeachment complaints. Sabi ng Pangulo, hindi importante si Duterte in the larger scheme of things, and impeachment ay maaari lamang anyang makagulo sa dapat na ginagawa ng gobyerno para sa kapakanan ng mga Pilipino. Kasing hindi impeachable ang mga cases against Sara. Sana ipinahinto mo na yan, huwag kung noon pa. Akala ko ba, papalagan niya? Masyado ng seryoso ang mga nasa pwesto para kapagsakin si VP. Pero si VP, chill lang at nilalaro lang ang mga banat sa kanya. Natakot na si Bangag dahil ang taong bayan naman ang maghuhusga sa kanya. Brutal man, ang sabihin mo, takot ka nang mabaliktad ang sitwasyon at ikaw ang ma-impeach. Alam ng mga tao na ikaw ay may malaking kasalanan sa bansa. Alam na kasi ni BBM na marami ng taong bayan talaga ang galit na galit sa kanya at sa kanyang pamumuno. Eh kung i-impeach pa nila si Vice President Sara, masasagad na sa galit ang taong bayan. Ayon pa kay Atty. Trixie Cruz Aguiles, the House wants to impeach. Malacanang stops it because Sara is allegedly unimportant. If you think this makes the president sound cool, well, you need to read more hairdressing books. Impeachment is the only legal way to do what Congress and Malacanang are doing to the Vice President. So why stop it? I suppose the President would rather continue doing what is illegal, but absolutely spectacular. It's good for him and his cronies. Someone up there thinks all of us are idiots. Who's advising you now? My takeaway from this supposed text message blast of President Bongbong Marcos to Congressman with the impeachment of Vice President. 1. It is his way of washing his hands. If the impeachment does proceed, I try to stop it. 2. It reveals a strategic dispute with his cousin, the House Speaker, because in an ideal setting, the President would simply call his cousin and convey his sentiment, and the Speaker will simply adopt the request and order his House to stand down. One way of reading between the lines of the message below is that BBM is undermining his cousin by going directly to the congressman. The other way is that he is just covering up his own in case hell breaks loose. Malakas kasi ang ebidensya ni Vice President Sara, lalo-lalo na ng pagigipit ng Marcos administration sa kanya. Narito ang